show you a couple of things that you could do with the foam roller for upper body and neck release. So one of the first things that you can do is if your neck is bothering you here, come down onto the floor, keep your knees bent, and then slowly lower the neck muscles on the foam roller. And here, just let the arms be passively to the side. And then do your best to look up towards the ceiling. So it doesn't have to be 12 o'clock, but more towards the center, if there was a clock in front of you, that the eyes are straight, gaze forward towards the center of the hands. And then just let the body drape into the floor. So it might take some time for the neck muscles to trust the bolster, and it might take some time for the lower back muscles to soften and round into the floor, and then also keep your feet in a spacious distance, hip distance wide or slightly wider, and let your knees lean inwards so that you're not holding on to any lower body stress. Just let the neck muscles rest, and then you can also close your eyes. And then just let the front of the throat rest into the back of the throat, any amount. So you're going to spend some time breathing here, and then when you feel ready, you're just going to roll, take your gaze slightly to the left. It's not really about the gaze, it's really about letting the side of those thick muscles, I believe they're the STMs, along the back of the neck, the attachment to the skull area, release. And then you might do a slight rotation to the right. And just like this, just a little side to side. And then really be patient with yourself. Just let the weight of the body and the firmness of the foam roller do the work. And feel free at any place where the sensation is stronger to pause there and let the body give, so that the fibers of those knots release. You might also notice that as you spend some time here, you're going to start to feel a release in your lower back, because I certainly do. Let me know if you do as well. So give yourself a good 5 to 10 minutes here. It's certainly worth it. And then another option you can do is just sort of come to the side and just lengthen, let the weight of the body release in that direction if that feels comfortable to you. And keep the chin parallel to, in its natural position. Keep the chest open. And notice if there is a tendency to round, curl up. Keep space between the pubic bone and, I would say, the clavicle notch. And then do that on the other side. All right. Feel free to repeat. Feels really good to me, even though I don't have any neck issues or upper back issues at this time. It still feels good to really relax those muscles in a yin kind of way. And then when you're ready, Slowly come up and come to a comfortable seat and just check for flexibility or check for release, or maybe it's just being still and just letting the sinuses open and